Okay, so the basic idea for this problem is first of all that we want to set marginal cost equal to a marginal revenue, which you see here, which is a basic identity that you have in economics. So let's just take that as a given. I can go into why that is later, but first of all, just take as a given that marginal cost equals marginal revenue. Okay, so now let's get the equations down. So the first equation, we're looking at the home country domestically, so PH, or sorry, we want to first look at the marginal revenue equation. So marginal revenue in the home country equals this number 300 minus 10Q. So let's put that here. 300 minus 10Q, okay? Now in the second equation, we want to grab the marginal cost in the home country, which is just equal to 100. So basically here, let's just say this is equal to 100. Now basically it's a simple equation. You can use it to solve for Q. So let's do that really quickly. 10Q, 200, 20 equals Q. So when you do that, now we're just looking at the home country, remember, there's still the foreign country example. But we just very quickly solved for what Q is. Now that's the quantity that we want to produce in the home country. Now let's take a step back and think, okay, if we're producing a quantity of 20, how much profit does that give us? So first of all, the monopolist, it says the monopolist faces a domestic demand given by this equation. PH equals 300 minus 5QH. So let me try to remember that. 300 minus 5Q minus 5Q, and this is equal to the price that we're going to set. So basically this is sort of a, I believe this is a demand curve. Let me take a look at it again. Faces a domestic demand curve, that's right. So then you know that for a given quantity Q, you're going to produce a, you're going to receive a price from the market at P.